Okay, so good day. Mabuhay, blessed be God forever. So for today, we're going to have again our new lesson in science, and this is lesson 3. So what's for today? Okay, so what's for today? So for today, we're going to do the following. First, we're going to review our previous lesson in science. Second, we're going to have a discussion on our new lesson in science. Third, we will have our review activity number 1. And the last one is we're going to have our review activity number 2. Okay, so let's start now on our agenda for today. So let us have first our review time. Okay, so for our review time, our previous lesson in science is about work. Okay, so again, let us define again what is work. So according to our discussion last time, it is something must move when work is done. Okay, also movement must be in the same direction on the on as the directions um of the force. So that is work. Okay, also we talk about movements that is at work and not at work. Like for example, lifting a book is at work, but holding a book is not at work. Okay, next, climbing up a stair is at work, and standing on a chair or a stair is not at work. Okay, so those are the things that we talked about last time, right? Also, we learn on the formula or how to solve work. Okay, so again, the formula of work is equal to F, which is the magnitude of force, okay, times or multiply by D, which is the magnitude of the displacement. Okay, don't forget that. Okay, so I think, okay, we're done with our first agenda of the day, which is the review. Now, let us go on with the second part, which is the discussion time. Okay, so what are we going to discuss for today? Okay, let's see. So, before anything else, may I know, do you have superpowers? Okay, okay, maybe some would say to themselves that yes, they have superpowers. Okay, what are the superpowers? Who are or what are the things that has superpowers? Okay, usually, okay, we relate superpowers to superheroes, right? I know that you have your favorite superheroes. Me too, I have my favorite superheroes. One of them is Spider-Man, Wonder Woman, and those that I've already watched through movies, okay? But then, okay, when we say superpowers, it does not only connect on superheroes, okay? But also, when we say powers, okay, it is also connected on the things or the work or movements that we are doing in our daily lives. Okay? Is it clear? Yes or yes? Okay. So with that, let us now discuss and look further what is this power all about when it comes in science. Okay? So let me introduce to you our lesson 3 in science entitled power. Okay? Can you say power? Okay, very good. Okay, so let us define first what is power. Okay, what is power? Okay, so power is the time rate of doing work. Okay, again, let us repeat. Power is the time rate of doing work. What does it mean? Okay, so it means that when we have power, okay, the work that we're doing, okay, or the time rate of the work that we are doing will be depend on the power that we consume or we give in. Okay, so that is power. Again, what is power? Can you read? Go. Okay, good job. Thank you. Again, don't forget that power is the time rate of doing work. Is it clear? Yes, no, yes. Okay, good job. Okay, now let us go on to the units of power. Okay, this will just be an easy lesson for you. All you need to do is to memorize this unit so that you will not forget it when you encounter some of the lessons that we're going to have, okay, on the next coming quarters. Okay, so here are the units of power. Okay, so 1 watt, okay, or the W unit is equal to 1 Nm over S. Again, 1 watt, okay, is equal to 1 Nm over X. Can you repeat that? 1 watt is equal to? Okay, good job. Next, second one. 1 joule per second, or J or S, J over S is equal to 1 watt. Okay, again, 1 joule per second, okay, is equal to 1 watt. Don't forget that. Okay, just memorize it and put it on your mind. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, so let's have the here 1 horsepower. Okay, 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watt. Okay, again, 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watt. Okay, can you repeat that? 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watt. Okay, good. Next one. Well, let's have here 1,000 watt. Okay, so 1,000 watt is equivalent to 1 kilowatt. Okay, again, 1,000 watt is equivalent to 1 kilowatt. Is it clear? Okay, again, how many or what is the equivalent of 1,000 watt? Okay, good. Thanks for trying harder. Okay, next. For the last one, or the last unit of power, is the 1 kilowatt. So 1 kilowatt is equal to 1.34 HP. Again, 1 kilowatt is equal to 1.34 HP. Let me repeat that. 1 kilowatt is equal to 1.34 horsepower. Okay? So again, 1 kilowatt is equal to? Okay, let us review. Again, 1 watt is equal to? Yes, 1 Nm over X. Next, 1 joule per second is equal to? Very good, 1 watt. Next, 1 horsepower is equal to? Correct, 746 watt. Next, 1,000 watt is equal to? Very good, 1 kilowatt. And 1 kilowatt is equal to? Yes, it's 1.34 each. Good job. So did you get it? Give me a thumbs up if yes, and a thumbs up if not. Okay, now let us go on to the next part. Okay, on this lesson, we will also focus on solving power. So how are we going to solve power? Syempre, we have here formula. Okay, just like in work, right? So the formula of power is P is equal to FD over T. P is equal to FV, and P is equal to WT. Okay, so we're in F is equal to force, that is the N. D is equal to displacement, that is the M. T is equal to time it takes to do work, or that is the S. And P is equal to power, or W. Again, what is the formula in getting power? So first, P is equal to FD over T. P is equal to FV. And P is equal to W over T. Wherein F is equal to force. D is equal to displacement. T is equal to time it takes to do work. Okay? And P is equal to power. Is it clear? Don't forget that. Again, the formula is P is equal to FD over T. Okay, so I think that's all for today. Okay, do you have questions about power? If you have questions, okay, feel free to message Miss Chaz, okay, or to chat me on Messenger or on our Orange application so that we can be able to clear things or clarify. Okay, so since you don't have question for at this moment, okay, can you get now your whiteboard? Okay, so since we're done with our agenda, which is the review, discussion, review activity 1 and activity 2, let's have our review time activity 1. Okay, I want you to get your whiteboard, okay, and answer the following. Okay, you will just write A or B. Okay, ready, let's start. Number 1, 1 kilowatt. Is it A, 1 watt, B, 1.34 HP? Again, 1 kilowatt. A, 1 watt, B, 1.34 HP. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so the answer here is letter B. Okay. Okay. Next, let's go on to the next question. Okay. So 1000 watt is equal to A, 1.34 HP, B, 1 kilowatt. Again, 1000 watt is equal to A, 1.34 HP, B, 1 kilowatt. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so what is your answer? Okay, so the correct answer here is yes. It's what? It's 1 kilowatt. Okay, very good. Now let us go on to the next question. Okay, so 1 horsepower is equal to A, 746 watt, or B, 1 watt. Again, 1 horsepower is equivalent to A, 746 watt, B, 1 watt. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, the correct answer here is yes, letter A, 746. Okay, let's go on to the next one. So the next question is 1 watt. 1 watt is equivalent to A, 1 Nm over S, or B, 746 watt. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so the correct answer here is letter A. Okay, very good. Let us now go on to the next question. 1 joule per second is equivalent to what? A, 1.34 horsepower, B, 1 watt. Again, 1 joule per second is equal to A, 1.34 horsepower, or B, 1 watt. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, the correct answer here is letter, yes, it's letter B. Okay, so let's go on to the next one. Okay, so that's all. Okay, I think that's all the question for lesson 3, power. Okay, so what I want you to do, okay, for the next part of this video is for you to answer, okay, your module. Okay, your module from page 17 until page 21. Okay, I hope that you learned something today. Okay, I hope that you learned something today. And if you are still confused on some of our discussion about power, you can repeat this video. Okay, you can just click it on your Orange app and you can watch it in YouTube. Is it clear? Okay, so I think that's all for today. I hope that you were able to remember the following are the things about power. Okay, so I think I can now say goodbye. I hope that you had a nice day, and I hope that you will still review your new lesson in science, which is power. Okay, so I think it's time for me to say goodbye, and I hope to see you again next week. Bye.